In times when recruitment process is being driven by artificial intelligence and the focus is on quality hiring, even Center is making efforts to make changes as far as recruitment and training of bureaucracy is concerned. As far as Center is concerned, they feel that India relies heavily on its administrative machinery to navigate the complex challenges of governance. As the nation's aspirations soar, however, the need for shift in the recruitment process of civil services is increasingly becoming evident. The present system, focused on examination results, needs to be replaced with one that prioritizes well-informed professionals. In fact, the Prime Minister of India focuses on that and he says,
एक तो ट्रेनिंग सबसे बड़ी चीज है, रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस बहुत बड़ी चीज है और मैंने इस पर बड़ा बल दिया। ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस को पूरी तरह हमने बदल दिया है। टेक्नोलॉजी का भरपूर उपयोग हमारे हर लेवल पे उस दिशा में हम बल दे रहे हैं। अब रिक्रूटमेंट में भी मैंने लोअर लेवल के जो इंटरव्यू सब समाप्त कर दिए। वो भ्रष्टाचार का अड्डा बन गया था, गरीब आदमी को लूटा जाता था। अब वो मेरिट के आधार पर कंप्यूटर तय करता है, उसको नौकरी दे दो भाई। समय भी बच जाता है। हो सकता है उसमें 2-3% ऐसे लोग भी आ जाएंगे जो शायद ना होते तो अच्छा होता, लेकिन बेईमानी से 15% लोग आ जाते हैं, तो अच्छा ही है कि भाई चलो हम इसको।
When we spoke to officers, they said that the current process is highly competitive that assesses a candidate's academic paths. While it is important factor, academic excellence alone cannot determine a candidate's effectiveness as an administrator. And that's why a broader skill set, including problem-solving abilities, leadership skills, and deep understanding of socio-economic and political dynamics are also in focus. That's the reason why now new system is being put in place, that is the capacity building commission or Amrit Kosh, which is being developed as far as this recruitment and training is concerned of the bureaucrats, so that they can adopt best practices from the world. As far as training is concerned, the Prime Minister focus is clearly on technology. He says technology is now going to be the guiding force as far as the training is concerned, because now more and more tools, as far as the governance is concerned, if citizens are also linked to it, technology is the main tool to reach out to them. So the officers obviously should know how to use technology. And as far as recruitment is concerned, earlier when recruitment interviews used to take place, there was always a scope of corruption. So to do away that, even technology is also helping them to recruit and train officers. In fact, when we spoke to officers, they were explaining to us as to how things were earlier. Like in 2007, their entire promotions were linked to ACRs, that is the annual confidential reports, which were very confidential in nature. But now with the new government at helm of affairs, now they have introduced a system known as annual performance appraisal report. That is APAR. Now your promotions are going to be linked with performance, personality, and your domain expertise is also going to be kept in mind while, promoting you. The government's idea is to usher in a new era of administrative excellence. A series of reforms are being considered. To begin with, the recruitment process should be redesigned to include domain-specific assessment interviews. So if there is a flood in specific area, officers dealing with floods should be appointed there. If cases of droughts are in focus, then people who have experience to deal with droughts should come in handy. So all these things are being kept in mind as when training capsules for the new officers, the new bureaucrats is being considered. Even performance evaluations are being revamped to consider administrative efficiency, so that they can also have impact on policies and decisions which are going to affect the society and economy. So the encouragement is there for officers to specialize and to have a flexible approach in particular subject, so that to ensure that they can use their expertise when is needed. In fact, when the officers also say that the new process will also distinguish between them. Earlier, when ACR was being considered as the performance link, there was no demarcation between best and among the rest. But with the new process in motion, the distinction is quite clear. It can be made very easily. The entire vision is of the Prime Minister, who is focusing on Viksit Bharat for 2047. Thank you, friends, for watching this.